Becca, first of all, in a...
Of the Kurds boiled over in Canberra today when more than 100 people tried to storm the Iraqi embassy. Staff reacted by waving baseball bats while police were totally outnumbered.
After the first few demonstrators broke through the thin blue lines, there was no holding back the rest. They took their pent-up feelings of rage and impotence out on the property of the state they hate. They used whatever weapons came to hand, including rocks they brought with them in plastic bags. Protective Services officials were the last line of defence between the demonstrators and the Iraqi diplomats inside.
We can, yes we can! Yes we can, yes we can! We want our Kurdistan! We want our Kurdistan! Yes we can, yes we can! Yes we can, yes we can! We want our Kurdistan! We want our with the slogan, and you cross مجرما وجريمة في أرضنا إننا أصحاب كردستان نحن وليس تكارم فلسطين نصاب يا ابن العاهرة يا ابن الدانيات التي مهما خفت هي ظاهرة يا صرصاب إننا شعب لن نستسلم أبطال بيشمرنا ضاقوا وسليمانية وحولير وكل كرسي شريف في أي مكان سوف ينتقم من جرائم الكردان التقليدي المجرم يا ابن العاهرة يا الحقارة
مزبانه میوان راست کرنه چادرو کنانه لدور هیلان لشکر بتفنگ سنگیانه